At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. A Jamaican national with multiple felonies was recently arrested at the Paso del Norte port of entry at the U.S.-Mexico border on criminal charges related to his alleged illegal re-entry into the United States. According to court documents, 43-year-old Dwight Moulton allegedly presented a Texas identification card to a Custom and Border Protection officer and claimed that he was a U.S. citizen traveling to El Paso after visiting his girlfriend in Mexico. The advocacy group Jamaicans for Justice, JFJ, says that body-worn cameras will actually protect lawmen, as it cites several instances of conflicting accounts between policemen and residents surrounding police killings. Wanna hear that, my people? Well, JFJ, Jamaicans for Justice, make Police Commissioner Kevin no say they are not backing down. They renews call for body cams, and at that me say too. Anything JFJ say, it we the Jamaican people I work with. It we I work with. All the people them I ask uno fi do is wear the body cam. Why uno cannot wear the body cam? At that me want know. At that me want know. Uno have a problem with wearing the body cam? Then this makes sense, my people. Jamaicans for Justice come out and I tell them, say, you have to wear the body cam. Not only them, Indicom come out and Indicom recommend them to wear the body cams. Why the police now wear the body cam? What them a do so? What them a hide? What them a do what they don't want we to see? What una do? What una do? So una fi just get up, go around and just kill off the youths them because there's videos showing that there is no shootout and una kill people. And Jamaican people is calling on the police forces to wear the body cam. Why una no want wear it? Me want the police commissioner, ready make police commissioner Kevin Blake come out and tell we why he feel like female officers them not for wear body cam. And don't come out and tell we say you feel confident like what you do other day. Don't come out and tell we say you feel confident in your police officers, because that a bullshit. That a bullshit. Because enough of your officers them lie say a shootout and then put on statement say a shootout, and when the video circulate it's no shootout. So me want uno come and tell we the Jamaican people why uno not for wear body cam. But uno not easy. Your officers them go out and kill. When Indicom done do the investigation, them recommend for uno for wear the body cam. So why uno no want wear it? Why uno no want wear it? Me not understand Andrew Oneness, Andrew Oneness, you can't like Jamaican people. You not like Jamaican people. Else you would not do these things. You would not come and put something in place. And you not put nothing in place. You not put nothing in place. Remember say you same one come out and talk about meat thy maker. Then Horace Chan come out and talk about shoot to kill. My wisdom warriors, I stand with Jamaican justice. JFJ, I stand with them. You understand? They don't do nothing wrong. All them come out and say, wear the body cam. It are the problem. It are the big problem the police commissioner have, Kevin Blake. If Indicom come out and tell us where the body cam, remember say Indicom investigate when uno kill people and them are the investigator and them recommend uno for wear the body cam. Why uno no want wear it? This is the problem uno have with Jamaicans for Justice. Just because they tell us to wear the body cam. Well, JFJ nah back down from uno. Them nah back down. So uno could ball blood. We nah stop telling you wear the body cam. You understand? That the Jamaican people want. They want to wear the body cam. Why uno not do that for the people? If uno say uno love the Jamaican people, why uno not do that for them? Uno so much parents and family and friends come out and a ball and I say and a shoot out. Why uno not do the right thing for once in our life? And that uno for do. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, may I bring on straight in a central Westmoreland, taking Mark Golden.
Comrade Chairman of the meeting, Comrade.We in Bastian. Comrades on the platform, Comrade Deputy Mayor Dung, big up yourself. Comrade Forrester, Comrade Chang, Comrade Abigail Malcolm. Who again now? Well, all the comrades in the audience, workers and warriors, foot soldiers, supporters, foundation socialists, big up on yourself. And I want to tell you, tonight and today is the day and the night for your next member of parliament. A man in whom I am well pleased. A bright man, a man of energy, a man of integrity too. A man who has worked hard in the past and will work harder in the future. But to get there, I have to work very hard in the present, yeah? Yeah man, and I mean of course, Dwayne Vaz, Comrade Dwayne Vaz, Comrade Vaz, big up yourself man. Thank you so much for having me down in central Westmoreland today. Thanks to each and every one who has been touring the constituency. I feel the energy, I feel the vibes. And I know that our time come and that nothing can stop it. We're on the road to progress. We're marching on the road to progress and we're marching on the road to victory. Comrades, unity is strength. UNITY, that are unity. And I say to each and every one, let us keep the fire burning in one accord and pull together so we can achieve our goals. And our goals must be to save Jamaica, to take back power in this country for the people. Power for the people, so that the people can benefit and we can move the country forward. The country have a whole heap of issues, a whole heap of problems. And you know we have to be very strategic, we have to invest in the people, we have to fix the education system, we have to make sure the youth get the necessary start from early childhood right through primary school. That's a big problem in the country because too many of the primary schools are not delivering the education that the children need and the home background isn't right. So that not getting the necessary start so them can push on into secondary school with the foundation to take on that work. We have to deal with that, we have to solve that for the future. We can't continue the way we are with that. We have to revamp the whole training system in the country and train the youth them for the jobs that are coming and the jobs that are here now. And we have to work close with the business community, the private sector when it comes to training to make sure that the training that the youths get is a relevant training so that when they finish, they're ready for work and they can do the jobs that are available and the jobs that are coming. We can't be looking backwards when it comes to training, we have to be looking outwards and forward. That is very important. Comrades, when you look at the balance of payments in the country, what is keeping Jamaica afloat right now is remittances. We can't rely on remittances forever, comrades. We have to build our foreign exchange base from production so that when the remittances fall off, whenever that might be, the country can still be afloat. Two major things we have to solve in order to do that, to build resilience in the country so the country can stand up on its feet in the future. We have to solve the energy problem in the country. Light bill is too expensive in Jamaica. People are feeling, and businesses are feeling. This government has failed when it comes to energy. In 9 years, they have done nothing to move the needle forward, except for one RFP that finally went out just the other day. But they had 9 years and they did nothing. We are committed to bringing down the price of electricity by expanding investment in renewable energy, solar, wind, waste to energy, hydro, whatever it may be. Philip Paulwell is on the case and he's working hard. And he's going to deliver for Jamaica like he did before when it came to telecoms, where he smashed the monopoly of cable and wireless and brought cellular phone into Jamaica with more than one provider, and Jamaica was ahead of the game at that time. The other main thing we have to solve is food importation. Jamaica's importing well over $1 billion US of food a year. When we left office in 2016, it was around 800,000. It has grown by over 50% since then. We cannot rely on imported food to feed our people. Jamaica shouldn't have to do that. Jamaica is blessed with some of the best food stuff in the world. The best yam, best cocoa, the best onion, the best tomato, the best cabbage, the best callaloo, the best scallion, the best coffee, the best ginger, and of course the best good ganja. When Westmoreland is the center, Orange Hill, pick up yourself. And all of the area where ganja growing. We want to have a vibrant ganja industry, a lawful industry, which empowers and creates wealth for the people of this country. We were the ones who decriminalized personal use of ganja. We were the ones who enabled a lawful ganja industry to emerge. I was the architect of that. Labor rights came into power and they dropped the ball. The thing has been stagnant since then. We have to revive it and fix it so it can be an empowering thing, a liberating thing for the people of Jamaica. And comrades, to do all these things, we need a government of integrity. We need a government that the people can have trust and confidence in. Right now we have a government that people don't trust, because the Prime Minister himself is not in good standing with the main anti-corruption agency in the country. His declarations can't be certified. He's taking them to court, trying to overturn the law that he passed. He's brought a constitutional amendment into Parliament which would enable him to appoint the President, and the President appoints the Commissioners of the Integrity Commission, which is investigating him. Nothing can go so, comrades. It can't be right. So that constitutional bill that they have in Parliament is a constitutional aberration, and we will not support it. And plus, time come now for full decolonization. We don't want to get rid of the system that we had from slavery days come up now. Time for a new system where we have confidence in ourselves, and we trust the institutions that we have built in this country, which are well designed, adequately funded. Right now the final court of the country is the King's Court in London. You can't go to that court unless you have a visa. You don't have a right to a visa, you have to apply and they might not give it to you. And if you do get the visa and you have to go up there, the case costs millions and millions of dollars to bring. You have to be a multi-millionaire or a big corporation to take a case to Jamaica's final court. So our final court right now is not accessible to the people. So the people don't have the final court. And that is not right. So we are saying, let us put our cases to the CCJ, the Caribbean Court of Justice, which was designed in a very good way. It is well funded. It has a trust fund that was set up at the beginning. Each government borrowed their share, put it in the trust fund to support the court forever, and paid back the loans. So that court is not reliant on any government for funding now. There's a regional judicial services commission, which ensures that the judges of the highest quality, the highest integrity, non-political people are put into that court as the judges. And in over 15 years of its existence, that court has been administering justice of the highest and purest quality. And it is accessible to the people. If you need to visit the court head office in Trinidad, you don't need no visa. And the court will travel to Jamaica to hear cases like they did for Shanique Myrie. When Barbados wouldn't let her stay and deported her, she took the Barbados to the CCJ. She won her case. She got justice to get her money out of the Barbados government too for that. And the case was heard right here in Jamaica by the CCJ. So we are saying full decolonization now. Yes, time for a Jamaican head of state and time for the CCJ as our final court. No piecemeal business. So we're defending those things. But the rights of the Jamaican people must be protected. Right now I'm very concerned by what is going on. Even the former chairman of the Police Federation, who leaked out because they weren't paying the overtime that the police were entitled to. And at a funeral he made some strong remarks about that. Because the court had ordered that it should be paid, and a year had passed and it wasn't being paid. And in look out, as a trade unionist, which is what the Police Federation is, and then put him on interdiction. That means him cut him pay and then send him home. And right now they decide that they're not going to support it because he's taken the matter to court and they've taken away his legal assistance. That is not right. Any police officer who has a case affecting their rights before the court should get the support in order to the legal support they need to fight that case. And we will have to put that in place for them, because we respect police officers and we know that them have them right too. So comrades, this next election is not going to be an easy election. I don't want that because you see the vibes on the road and an amount of support and passion for the People's National Party here in Central Westmoreland. Don't take it simple. We're up against a formidable foe, a formidable opponent. They have government resources and you know how them play. Them not respect rules neither. So it's going to require full commitment, working together, doing the organizational work now, completing the canvas. And on the election day, each and every person on our PNP list, we go out and get them and let them put them X beside the head for Dwayne Vaz. So that Marky G can be the next Prime Minister of Jamaica and Dwayne Vaz can be your Member of Parliament, walking up Duke Street beside me into Garden House to start running things in Jamaica. Comrades, are you ready? Are you ready for a PNP government? Are you ready for Dwayne Vaz as the next MP? Are you ready for Mark Epstein Golden as the next Prime Minister? Comrades, the word is love. One love. God bless you all. Power to the people. Power, Mr. Power to the people.
So my wisdom warriors wanna hear it from the party leader that was in Central Westmoreland. Wanna tell me what wanna think, wanna tell me how wanna feel about it, put an honest opinion in the comment section, like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on the nice clean self. One love.